Hi cake lovers, welcome to our multi-recipes and cookeries kitchen. Today, we're going to make a delightful homemade pistachio, raspberry, and rose cake. It's a perfect blend of flavors that will leave your taste buds craving more. Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need. 1½ cups shelled pistachios, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons rose water, 1 cup fresh raspberries, ½ cup milk. Optional, additional raspberries and pistachios for garnish. Powdered sugar for dusting, optional. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and prepare a cake pan by greasing it with butter and dusting it with flour to prevent sticking. Now, let's begin making the batter. Step 1. Making the pistachio flour. Take 1 cup of the shelled pistachios and grind them in a food processor until they form a fine powder. We'll use this as our pistachio flour in the cake batter. Step 2. Mixing dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift together the pistachio flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Set this dry mixture aside for now. Step 3. Creaming butter and sugar. In another mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy using a hand mixer or stand mixer. Step 4. Adding eggs and flavoring. Once the butter and sugar are well combined, add in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, stir in the rose water for a delightful floral aroma. Step 5. Combining wet and dry ingredients. Now, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, alternating with the milk. Mix until just combined, be careful not to overmix. Step 6. Folding in raspberries and baking. Gently fold in the fresh raspberries, being careful not to crush them. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it evenly. Step 7. Baking. Place the cake pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And there you have it, a gorgeous, fragrant pistachio, raspberry, and rose cake. You can garnish it with additional raspberries and pistachios for an extra touch. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Optionally, dust some powdered sugar on top for a decorative finish. Thank you for joining us today in making this exquisite homemade cake. If you tried this recipe, don't forget to share your creations with us. Like, subscribe Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel and hit the notification bell for more delightful recipes. Until next time, happy baking! Thank you very much, cake lovers.